I have a question about a hadith from the Garden of the Righteous. Abu Huraira relates that the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The judgment will not be set up till the Muslim fights the Jew, and the Jew will seek to hide himself behind a rock or a tree. And a rock or a tree will call out, 'O Muslim, here's a Jew hiding behind me, come and kill him.' But the thorny rocket will not call out like this, because it is one of the trees of the Jews." From Bukhari and Muslim. Hazur, could you please tell me the meaning of this?
Reported from Bukhari
and Muslim.
That's right. This statement has to be understood in depth. And first of all, the true meaning of the rock which is mentioned in Hadith has to be specified. I do not believe that this hadith should be taken literally, without a question, because it will involve us in many problems. The word of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam has to be interpreted with wisdom and rationality. This is my principle. So the word rock should be, first of all, defined as what the rock means. It has been throughout the history of the Jewish people to work under cover of some worldly government. And whenever that cover is removed, then those who persecute them are given a free hand. Read the entire history of the Jewish people from the time of Jesus Christ up to here. This has always been the case. So the Holy Prophet must have referred to that. Al-Qiyamah here may indicate the spiritual revolution in which Islam will become victorious in the end. Before that, this is to happen. That the worldly governments, which are rocks, which continuously give them covers, will lift their covers once and for all. And then they will be rooted out from all sources of power which they hold. But they will not be killed at the hands of the Muslims as such. That is an inference which I draw from some verses of the Holy Quran in Surah Bani Israel, or what else is it called?
Al-Isra.
Or Surah Al-Isra. Understand? Aisha? You understood the message? Thank you. You belong to a country where once they hid behind the rock of German people, and that cover was lifted by the Nazis. So you know what happened? You understand the point better, I suppose.